So I hope you enjoy this wallet tutorial and hopefully it helps. Let's get started. So the supplies you're going to be needing are a 3 3/4 inch by 2 1/4 inch ID plastic, a craft knife, a cutting mat, a ruler, and of course duct tape. I'm using wallflower and teal. Let's get started. Start by taking your color that you want for the inside of your wallet, which is where you put the money, and cut 2 pieces that are 8 inches long. Now I have my 2 8-inch pieces cut, and now we're going to take this one and we're going to overlap it over this one so that it's 3 inches wide. Just like that. So you have a piece that is 8 inches long by 3 inches wide. Now we're going to go ahead and peel this up and flip it over so that it's sticky side up. And then we're going to take our other pattern or color of duct tape for the outside. You'll make sure that you have a 1/2 inch sticky all around the outer edge of this one piece. So I'll show you guys what that looks like once you're done. Now I have a 1/2 inch sticky on these 3 sides. This one I didn't quite get a 1/2 of an inch. It's a 1/4 of an inch, but that's okay because it doesn't really matter anyways. Now I'm going to take my craft knife and cut little squares in all 4 corners. Now I've got that done, and now I'm going to trim down this side because it's not quite 1/2 of an inch, it's a little over. Okay, so now I've got my sheet of duct tape, and now I'm going to take the top strip of tape and I'm going to fold that over. Now we're going to make another sheet of duct tape just like this. Now I have my other sheet of duct tape, and we're going to want to cut off the right side, the left side, and the bottom, and leave nothing but the top sticky strip. Now I trimmed it down so that all there was the sticky piece at the top, and now we're going to go ahead and fold that over. Now we're going to take the sheet that we made earlier and take our other sheet and lay it right on top of it. And then the sticky piece here at the bottom we're going to fold over. Now we're going to flip our wallet inside, and you'll notice there's a little bit of sticky. So we're going to take some clear tape and we're going to cover that up with our clear tape. So cut a strip of clear tape that is 8 inches long and place that at the bottom of your wallet. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and set this aside and start working on our credit card pockets. Take your pattern duct tape and cut 2 strips of tape that are 3 3/4 inches long. Now take one of those strips of tape and flip it so that it's sticky side up. Now we're going to take our clear tape and place that over that strip of tape. Now we have our first credit card pocket. Now do the same thing to the other one. Now we have our 2 credit card pockets. Now we're going to make the trim and the V-shaped pocket. Take your color or whatever you use for the inside part of your wallet, and we're going to use this to make the trim and the V-shaped pocket. Cut 3 pieces of tape that are 3 3/4 inches long. Now I have my 3 3/4 inch pieces cut, and now I'm going to take my ruler and we're going to cut one of those strips in half, and then we're going to cut those 2 half pieces in half again. So we end up with 4 strips of tape. That looks something like this. Now the second piece we're going to cut a V shape out of it. Now we're going to take that V-shaped piece of tape and we're going to flip it over so that it's sticky side up. Then our third piece of 3 3/4 inch tape, we're going to take that and place that over top of our V-shaped pocket. Now you should have this V piece that's sticky. We're going to take our craft knife and go from the middle of the V straight out so that it ends up into 2 divided sections. And then we're going to fold this over. So now we have our V-shaped pocket. We have 4 pieces of tape here that we cut earlier. One of them we're going to trash because we don't need it, but the other 3 we're going to use to put on our 2 credit card pockets and our ID plastic. I like to make my trim 1/4 inch wide. Now we're going to take our clear tape and we're going to cut a piece that's 3 3/4 inches long. Then we're going to take that piece of clear tape and cut it in half. Take one of the half pieces and put it over your trim, and then just fold the extra over to the back. Now do the same thing to the other one. Now they're clear taped. Now it's time to start placing these on our wallet. Cut a piece of your pattern duct tape that's 3 3/4 inches long. Then we're going to take our ruler and cut it in half. Then we're going to take those half pieces and cut them in half again so that we end up with 4 strips of tape. Now we're going to place each strip on all of our credit card pockets. Now I have them placed on all 4 of my credit card pockets, and there's a little bit of sticky showing right here. And that's what they should look like. Now we're going to cut 2 pieces of clear tape that are 3 3/4 inches long and cut those in half. Now we're going to cut both of those pieces in half. Now we're going to grab our wallet and start to place our credit card pockets on our wallet. Take your first regular card pocket and place it close to the top. Now flip your credit card pocket backwards and take one of the clear pieces of tape that we cut and place it on the inside so that there's no sticky on the inside of your credit card pocket. Now we're going to place our second regular credit card pocket and again flip it backwards and put the clear tape on the inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my V-shaped pocket and my ID. When you place your V-shaped pocket and you might have a little bit of sticky showing, go ahead and just cut that off with your craft knife. Now I have my pockets placed, and now these 2 sticky pieces of tape over here on the side, we're just going to fold over. Now we're going to cut a piece of tape that's 3 inches long. Now take just one of the half strips and place it in the center of your wallet. Now you'll probably notice that your credit cards won't fit in because of the tape that we folded over. Just take your craft knife and cut little slits. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wallet tutorial. Don't forget to like this video. Bye!